Secure messages is one of the best features available on VA.gov because it lets you communicate with your VA healthcare team without having to pick up the phone. If you've ever waited on hold just to ask a simple question, this feature can save you a lot of time. A secure message is exactly what it sounds like. It's a private message you send through your VA account to members of your healthcare team. It's designed for routine, non-emergency communication. For example, maybe you have a question after an appointment that you forgot to ask. Maybe you want clarification about your treatment plan. You might want to ask about a medication, request a refill if appropriate, ask about your lab results, or let your provider know whether a symptom has improved or gotten worse. Instead of making a phone call, you can simply send a secure message. Another advantage is that everything stays in writing. That means you can go back and read your provider's response later instead of trying to remember exactly what was said during a phone conversation. It also gives you a record of your communication with your care team. Here's how to send one. After signing into VA.gov, go to the Health section and select Secure Messages. Choose the healthcare team you want to contact, enter a subject line, type your message, and select Send. When your care team responds, you'll receive a notification and you can continue the conversation in the same message thread. A couple of quick tips can make secure messages even more effective. Write a clear subject line so your care team immediately knows what your message is about. Keep your message specific and include enough information for them to understand your question without making them guess. Just as important, know when not to use secure messages. If you're having a medical emergency, call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room. If your concern is urgent and can't wait for a response, contact your VA facility directly instead of sending a secure message. Secure messages are intended for routine healthcare questions, not emergencies. It's a simple feature, but it's one that can save you time, reduce unnecessary phone calls, and make communication with your VA healthcare team much easier. If you're already using VA.gov, this is definitely a feature worth taking advantage of. In the next video, I'll show you how to navigate the disability compensation section of VA.gov. See you in the next video. The uniform was temporary. The honor is forever.